What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. All right, guys, I'm up over $4,500 on the day. It's a very important day today. We had CPI and we saw a lot of reaction in the market, and we're going into Lotto Friday, which is always hot. So on the agenda today, I'm going to walk you through the opening range breakout 15-minute strategy that I've modified. We're going to look at futures, and Tesla is the hot pick going into tomorrow with a rare double inside bar pattern, okay? This right here, this double inside bar pattern on Tesla is extremely rare to get on the daily. If you even scroll back here, guys, on the daily, I can't even find one, okay? This is so rare because if you look at the 5-minute chart right here, you can see the price action is tightening in this box, okay? And then this box right here, guys, has a good chance, a very, very strong chance to break out tomorrow, okay? So we'll get right into that, and I'll share my levels with you. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's do some shout-outs. Pay some love to the support. What's going on, Mike? Anthony, brother, good to see you back. Dr. D, Pinocchio, what's going on? Weebius, Wesley, Terrence, George, Johnny Golf, Trading Wars Army. Good to see you guys. All right, Derek, what's going on? Terrence, good to see you. All right, so let's get right into this. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about are my calls, okay? So right now, guys, I'm in the, let me pull up my calls. So the 506 calls from 423 to 527, and I have those expiring next Friday. Okay, so it's about a 24% increase so far, and I'm going to show you guys the exact setup that I took. So I'm going to go here to the hourly, and I'm going to walk you guys through this setup. Okay, so whenever we're trading SPY, what I love to do is I love to take pullbacks, and I love to buy options on the hourly chart. So you can see this pullback here, guys, occurred on Tuesday and Wednesday, and we did like this double bottom, triple bottom pattern. So I bought right here on 505.73. We ended up taking the calls. As you see here, guys, I like to do, just $1 or $2 out of the points, out the money, okay? Nothing too far. So we got the 506 calls right there, guys, and see here, 505.73, getting the 506 calls 2 weeks out. So really nice start with these calls. I have them until next Friday, but those are really, really good. And as always, guys, these were called out live in the Discord. So I just want to show you the pattern right here. So I said, Dragon setup 1 hour long, can also use options 2 weeks out, 1 strike out the money, I'm filled. Took the 506 calls from March 8th expiry. And on that day itself, it popped up for a good 10%. So if you want to scalp these levels, guys, trust me, focus on the Fibonacci, focus on the pullback. You don't want to buy options up here. You don't want to buy options up here. This is where you get burned. You want to buy calls when we're coming back into support. Okay, come back into support. That's when you're going to get your best opportunity to buy calls at a discounted price. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. All right. So the next thing that I want to show you is the 15-minute opening range breakout strategy. Okay, so this is something that I've been watching, and I really think that you guys are going to absolutely love this strategy because I've enhanced it. Okay, so the 15-minute opening range breakout. So the first 15-minute candle on SPY or futures, which could be on anything, could be on Tesla. Let's pull up Tesla as well. Let's go to the 15-minute. Okay, so here's the first 15-minute candle on Tesla as well, right here, right here. Okay, so let's hit the replay. So I'll show you on Tesla and SPY. So are you familiar with the opening range breakout? Hit me with a 2 if you are. But what I found is the 15-minute opening range breakout combined with the right circumstances is a very probable, powerful pattern, okay? Because it is letting the first 15 minutes digest. So this is the first 15 minutes of Tesla closing at 9:45. And what we're going to do is we're going to mark the high and we're going to mark the low, okay? If it breaks to the downside, we're going to short. If it breaks to the upside, we're going to go long. So here's the next candle, bang, 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 done, okay? It's a very quick scalp. What I like to do is take the Fibonacci on the level itself, the opening range breakout like this, double click it and put on those full extensions because you're going to use those full extensions to help you take profits on the way down. Hit with a 5, that makes sense, okay? So really like this strategy. And then you could see it even went lower today. Same thing on SPY. Here's the first 15-minute bar right here. Same thing, mark it up. There's the high, there's the low, okay? Next candle, inside, bang, breakout, boom. That's it, okay? So that right there, guys, that's a good 10, 15, 20, 25% on options. If you're using futures, now we're talking about a good chunk of points. So let's add the futures on here. Okay, so if we're looking at futures here, guys, so from this move here, let's say 50.92 to about 50.82, right? 82, that's 10 points. 10 points on one contract is $500 in about an hour, about 2 hours. Is that crazy? That's one contract. Okay, hit me with the 3 if you're feeling me there. So what I want to show you guys is this screen share channel. Okay, every Thursday and Friday. So today we went live at the open for about 2 to 3 hours at the open, and everything is called out live in the screen share. And this right here, my friends, it's revolutionary. We've been getting awesome feedback in the Discord. I've been sharing my screen. We've been talking to the trade step by step, okay? Showing you how to draw it, showing you the pullback, showing you all that. And I'm also still pushing the, if you want the written alerts, we're still doing that. So we're doing both. But I really think I promised you guys that I was going to do screen share, and we implemented it, and it's been just amazing, okay? So if you're using the screen share, if you're in the Discord, let me know your feedback. Drop some comments in the chat and I'll throw it up here. But this has changed the game, guys. Everything is open for you guys to watch step by step. If you're serious about learning how to trade, you want to see me risk my capital, you want to learn from me, guys, let me risk my capital, okay? And just learn and do it for a week or two and watch how quickly you pick it up. The main thing is you don't want to blow up your account. So you need to learn from somebody using their own capital, and you need to learn in real time. I could sit here all day and talk to you about this, but when you're feeling the emotions of real time, you can hear it in my voice when I'm doing it real. Sometimes you get nervous, sometimes you get anxious, but you just got to learn how to control that, okay? All right. So let's continue here. So we have this brother right here, Anthony. Love the live feed, Rich. Thank you, sir. Brother, which challenge are you talking about? The paper trading challenge? Which one? Let me know which one you're talking about. All right, so let's roll back here. Okay. So I'm up over 4,500. Yeah, I'll talk about that in a second. So I'm up 4,500 today, guys, but I'm going to show you something right now in futures. That's crazy. Yeah, I lost my voice. I'm actually a little bit under the weather. But anyways, so let's talk about this. Futures. So I'm going to show you guys something here. So this morning, so I want to show you guys something that's happening after hours. Okay. This is not for everybody by any means. Okay. But I'm going to show you guys so that you guys can learn this. And I'm going to swap over the 4-hour chart. So what was happening coming into today? What was happening? We had CPI, right? So we had this high. If we go to the daily chart, okay, we're up near all-time highs. All right. So from here, what I was looking for, guys, is the Dragon 618 short. Boom, 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 retrace, boom, right there. And I'm going to take the Fibonacci from the high to the low like this, and I'm going to show you guys this 618 short. I'm going to put on the basic. I want to walk you guys through this. So do you guys know that there's news that's happening in the morning? So let me just hit the replay here. Do you guys know that? With the 20. So today we had CPI. So even before the market opens, there's action. Okay. And you can capture that action. You can make those gains trading futures, because futures is always open pretty much 24/7. Okay. There's small breaks here and there. So what we saw here in the Discord today, I'm going to go to the Fibonacci setups. So this morning, we saw a short, okay, at 5:33 a.m. Pacific. That's 8:30 Eastern. Okay. This is the same thing that I'm drawing up for you guys right now. It's on the hourly. Let me swap hourly so you can see it. Okay. So here we go. So coming into the morning, guys, bang, 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 boom. There's CPI. Okay. Boom, bang. So we got filled on the 618 short. And you can see here in the Discord here, right here, 618 filled short. You can see the candle. Let's stop for a second and let's talk about this. Would you short on this candle right here? Hit me with a 10 if yes, hit me with 11 if no. I'm going to teach you guys a lesson here. Would you short this? What do you guys think? Let's think about that for a second. So what you have to remember is this. The first thing is I'm not shorting at the low, okay? Because if I short at the low here and this trade goes like this, I'll blow up my account. So the first thing that I'm doing is getting a 62% discount, which is this right here, okay? Right there. Maximum stop loss is this swing high. Okay, so let's play. Boom. So we got this reaction right away. So right off the bat here, guys, show you guys in here. We popped up all the way to having $4,268 unrealized gains. I went in heavy sides, 3 contracts. Okay. And As soon as we have this pop down here, watch this, boom, I put my stop loss to break even right away. Okay. I don't look at volume on the S&P 500 because volume in CPI is irrelevant, right? Because it's news. The volume doesn't matter. Every announcement is going to have volume. There's no need to look at volume, right? Because you know when the CPI announcement comes out, there's going to be a lot of volume. This is the S&P 500. This is not a single stock. Single stock, yes, you want to look at volume, etc. But on the index, volume, especially if you know there's going to be news, you know it's going to spike. Okay. So from here, I got my stop loss to break even, and we just turned around, bang, 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 and I got stopped out for break even. Okay. And let me just fast forward this. Boom. So I ended up actually closing $174 in profits. But if this short had actually made a new low, because I was waiting for it to make a new low to go for some bigger targets, if it made a new low, guys, this would have been a $15,000 day for me. All right. But even with that trade, what I want to show you here is I did not let this $4,000 profit turn around and become a loser. I still made $176. Not a lot. Okay. But what I'm trying to show you here, guys, is how to surgically attack the market. If I didn't have my stop loss in here, right now it'd be down 4,000. Okay. So hit me with the 5. That makes sense. Yeah. So on this trade, at this low, at this exact low, it was up 4,000. But I still remember I still had my calls and everything. So I still made 4,500 on the day. So I still have my calls from we took earlier in the week. But this, I'm talking about this particular short trade here was $4,000. Okay. So the biggest lesson I just want to show you guys, that's something that I've changed, is do not, like, I used to get FOMO in the past. Okay. So I'd be like, okay, it's coming back up. I'm going to remove my stop loss. I'm going to remove my stop loss because it's going to come back down. I do that in the past. Hit me with the 15 if you've done that before. And then what would happen, guys, is this thing would keep going up like this forever. And then I get margin called. So now the trade has to work perfectly for me. As soon as I'm in like $1,500 profit, $1,000 profit, I'm at break even. Whatever it wants to do, it can do. If it wants to touch my stop loss, I don't care. But I need to protect my capital. That's the biggest takeaway that I want to give you guys today. Okay. That's been helping me a lot. All right. Okay. So that was my futures review. And I just wanted to show you that. And I just want to let you guys know that you can get in the action in the morning. A lot of people, a lot of my customers and clients are in Singapore. Okay. And this is what you got to do. If you can't trade New York Stock Exchange regular, you got to look for news events, and then you got to come and trade in, whether you're in whatever time zone you're in. All right. A problem I have is moving stops up so early and so close, like 1 to 2 points away, that it will come back and hit my break even and proceed to go in the direction. Yeah. So you're probably just moving your stops too tight. And that's why I like to use the Fibonacci as my guiding system, because then it becomes systematic and less emotional. Okay. All right. So let's look at Tesla right now. Okay. So I posted this here for Trading Wars Army members. So it's $4.99 to join the Trading Wars Army. You can click the join button below. But every single day I post my top 4 picks with exact levels, stop loss, entry targets, and option contracts. So I'm going to give you guys this one today. We're going to look at Tesla together. All right. And I just want to make an announcement that in a week or two, I'm going to be having a seminar. And the seminar is going to be free to any Trading Wars Army member. So anyone that has a green in their name will be getting access to the seminar for free. So it's like Johnny, Pinocchio, Anthony, etc. Okay, so let's go ahead here and let's look at Tesla. So Tesla is my #1 pick going into tomorrow. So what we're going to do here, guys, is I'm going to draw my levels and I'm going to talk you through the scenarios. Okay, so here we go. So I'm looking long Tesla 204.60. Okay. And remember, guys, we're doing screen share in Discord now. If you want to come check it out for a month, try it out. I'm going to give you guys a nice deal at the end, and see if it's worth your time. And if it's not, no problem at all. But I think you're going to like it. Short plan 199.13. Okay. So this right here, guys, is the breakout levels I'm watching on Tesla tomorrow. If we break through 204.60, I'm going to be looking for long. If we break through 199.13, I'm going to be looking to short. Okay. And the reason I'm doing that is if I look at the daily chart here, guys, this is a double inside bar pattern. A double inside bar pattern on the daily chart for Tesla is extremely rare. You can see we had one back in September, And then we had a huge rally after that. Look at this. Boom. Okay. So the reason why these are powerful is because you had 2 days of going sideways and chopping, just having choppy consolidation, right? So because of that, I'm looking for it to break out because it's very rare. It's extremely rare. I don't think it's ever happened on for Tesla to have 3 inside days in a row. So we know likely tomorrow is going to be a breakout. Okay. So these are the levels we're going to be watching. So the first scenario is we open inside of this box and then we'll look for a breakout here or a breakout here. Okay. If we open above, then we're going to be looking for it to come back down into our level and bounce up. If we open below, we're going to look for it to come in and then bounce down. Okay. So that's the 3 scenarios. There's going to only be 3 scenarios. The other thing is we can do the same thing that I taught you guys today. You see this 15-minute opening range breakout. You can use this first 15-minute candle. Let's say it opens right here and then take the break of that 15-minute candle. Very simple strategy. You can be one and done for the day. And I really want to get you guys involved with the orb because it's how I started trading. Actually, I started learning trading from the orb because I didn't really understand Fibonacci at that time. So tomorrow in Discord, I'll be calling out those orbs with you guys live. And we're going to have a lot of fun. And we're going to finish this week strong. Okay. So hit me with a 5 that makes sense. All right. So this is what we're going to do to wrap it up. All right, guys, before I do the lifetime giveaway, check me out at tradingwars.com. Let's get this to load up here, guys. I'm going to do a lifetime. How'd you guys like the stream today? Hit me with an 11 if you enjoyed it. And, you know, I'm not feeling that great today, so I apologize for my voice. But, you know, it was such an important day today with the CPI and with Tesla. I knew I had to come out here. Okay. So thank you so much for being here. I really greatly appreciate it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe if you can. Okay. So what I want to say right now is any one of my books. So my 3 books right now, they are on sale. Okay. So instead of getting 1 month for free in the Discord, okay, 1 month for free in the screen share room, every book purchased within the next, let's say, okay, let's say by the end of the week. All right. Any book purchased by the end of the week, you're going to get 60 days for free in the Discord, in the live alerts, and you're going to get the book for life, plus my premium indicators with alerts. Okay. You're going to get the Nirvana golden indicator for life. Okay. So come out here. If you want to learn, you want to see me trade live with screen share tomorrow, 15-minute orb tomorrow. Okay. And here's my other book here, the SPY book. Same thing. You're going to get 2 months. The only thing that's different is if you want to buy the Power of the 618 book, this is $150. It's going to come with 2 months for free, but you're going to get lifetime access to the swing room where we swing futures. Okay. So that's not for everybody because with futures, you need margin. But if you want to go that route, you want to trade, you know, we look for those 8 a.m. trades, those crazy trades, check me out. All right. Okay. So this is what we're going to do right now. I'm going to pick somebody from the chat to be the winner today because I want to thank you guys for coming out. Someone in the chat right now is going to get lifetime, and they're also going to get 1 year Tradingview premium. Okay. So 1 year Tradingview premium and lifetime Discord. Or should I split it up? What do you guys think? Should I do it all today or should I do 1 today and 1 on Sunday? What do you guys think? Hit me with a 1 if you want to do all today. Hit me with a 2 if you want to split it up. Either one's okay. But sometimes I just feel bad for people that are not here and I want to split up. Let's see. Okay. What do you guys want? 1. I forgot what I said. One more time. Hit me with a 1 for all today and hit me with a 2 to split it up. All right. I see a lot of people want it all today. Okay. All right. So this is what we're going to do here. I'm going to pick a number between 1 and 30. Okay. And when I say go, you're going to put the number on, and whoever gets a number first, I'm going to pick for the winner. And you have to remember, guys, your feed is going to look different than mine. Okay. Your feed is going to look different than mine. So don't hate on me if you see it, you were first or whatever, guys. Happens all the time. But I think it's fair because I don't want to give it to somebody that commented, but that's not here because I really want to give it to one of you guys. Okay. If you're okay with that, hit me with a 10. If you want me to just pick someone that commented somewhere, hit me with an 11. Okay. What do you guys think? What's going on, Princeton, brother? Don't worry. We're doing the giveaway now. So 10, most people want me to pick somebody from the chat. Okay. So I'm thinking of a number between 1 to 30. Go ahead and tell me what that number is. A number between 1 to 30. Okay, I haven't seen it yet. Nope. Boom. Right here, number 15. Dr. D, my friend, you are the winner, brother. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you coming out. All right, guys, look, I don't want you guys to feel sad or anything like that. I'm going to do another giveaway next week. Okay, so just hang on there. But this was the first one that popped up for me. I know you might see it differently on your screen, but I wanted to make sure somebody gets it today. All right, let's send Dr. D some love. Hit him with a SPY VIP. All right, Dr. D, my friend, you're the winner. Email me rich@tradingwars.com. All right. I know. See, yeah, I'm sorry, brother. I see some of you are saying that you picked 15, but it's the first one that comes up in my chat feed, because you're going to be the first one in your chat feed, right? That's what I think. All right, here's our brother right here. Thank you, Rich. Okay, guys, don't worry. So the next one that I'm going to do is I'm going to do it based on a comment on the video, okay? So don't worry. If you didn't get it this time, comment. I'm going to end the broadcast here. Comment at the end of this video, and then someone from this video is going to get something on Sunday, okay? So let's do that. So that way, you know, we're even out. Thank you so much for your time, my friends. I really appreciate you guys. Dr. D, email me, rich@tradingwars.com, and I'll take care of you, brother. Take advantage of these deals. If you want to come and screen share with me tomorrow, we're going to be live right at the open. Hope this video was helpful for you. And I really want you guys to take some time to look at the 15-minute opening range breakout. It's a very, very underrated, easy setup. It's one setup per day. You just got to know when to use it. Use it when you have gaps. Use it when you know that there's volatility, when there's news, when there's things like that. Have a great night, my friends. Take care.